I bought Hinori black rice, and it normally takes like 40 minutes to cook on the stove top. It's only cooked for 12 minutes.
Hi everyone.
Say hi everyone. I'm showing them the black rice I made in the pressure cooker. The rice is really, this is like a,
Stupid rice.
no, it's like a hard rice. So you have to boil it a really long time on the stove. But I put 3 cups of black rice, 4 cups of water, which might have been a little bit too much because you can see some moisture at the bottom, but it'll steam away. So I did 3 cups of this Hinori black rice, 4 cups of water, 12 minutes in the microwave pressure
Do
cooker.
I have to eat that?
Yeah, it's good for you. I can't believe it. It actually worked. I tried it on the stove and it ended up making a horrible mess, and this rice is not cheap either.
Can I have mine?
You want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
But there it is. Hinori black rice. 12 minutes in the pressure cooker or 45 minutes on the stove. So you pick.